Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the system settings and navigating to sounds or notifications. Tap into the message or messaging app section now. This is where the notifications sound lives. If prompted, grant notification access so you can change tones. Once done, locate the message notification entry, sometimes labeled messages, SMS, or the specific app name, and tap it to reveal sound options. Make sure you're in the device level menu, not within a chat. Now you must select the actual sound. Tap notification sound or ringtone and a list appears. Press play to preview each tone so you can compare volume and length. If you want a custom clip, pick add or choose from files, then navigate to your audio file. MP3 or WAV is preferred. Once you pick a tone, the system will show a check mark or highlight. Make sure the selected sound isn't set to silent and that vibration settings match your preference. Finish by saving or applying the change, then exit settings. You should immediately test. Send yourself a message from another device or use the app's test notification button to confirm the tone plays. If you don't hear anything, check Do Not Disturb, volume levels, and that the app has notification permission. If problems persist, reboot the device and reassign the sound. Corrupted files can fail, so try a different tone to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.